Hey guys, I'm Joe Flammer with Turnkey Marketing, and I am here in Pennsylvania right now at George Automotive Services. Today I got to meet with these guys.
I'm Larry George.
Tara Whitmire.
And we've been able to go through our one-day VIP Director of Marketing plan. So can you guys just tell me, what are you excited about now that we've gone through the plan and you see what Turnkey is going to be able to do? What are you excited about with your marketing now?
Excited to have a full marketing plan laid out and know that it's going to get done properly. Yeah.
And now that that's going to be off your plate and you can actually focus some energy in other spots, what are you going to put all that extra time into now?
Helping customers, helping out the community. It takes a lot of time to be able to do that and focus on that kind of stuff. So, yeah.
And grow the business.
Grow the business, yeah.
And we're super excited to be able to be part of growing this business and helping you to get there, and excited to be able to be here and spend the day and see what you guys have built here. So looking forward to it and seeing where this all goes.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Joe.